In this download dollars review, I'm going to be showing an app that they're claiming a 13-year-old makes $35 every time he downloads an app with. I'm going to be telling you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how to get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Download Dollars, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also click that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, if you decide that this is right for you and you purchase through my link, I've got a bunch of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting. All those bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, exposed sneaky Google and Apple income loophole. How this 13-year-old makes $35 every time he downloads an app. Only takes 3 minutes to download an app and get paid. No waiting for paychecks, no experience needed. It only takes 3 minutes. So lots of stuff going on here with this. Lots of stuff that, like, there's some true stuff here and there's some not so true stuff here. So essentially what download dollars is, and I'm going to show you the full back end area of this and everything about it, but essentially what it is it's a kind of an aggregated area, like a members area that has all of these different offers that you can complete and get paid for, all put into one place. Now you have to sign up for each and every one of these. You might have heard of things like inbox, what is it, inbox offers or inbox dollars, swag bucks, I think is one of them. These are websites where people can go to and fill out things like surveys and download different things and actually get paid for them. And this is something, it sounds too good to be true. I've actually joined some of these websites before and gotten paid from them. So some of them do work, but of course, there's some stuff going on the sales page that I don't like. The thing about getting paid $35 every time you download an app. It's not $35 with every single one of them. I'm going to show you that inside this review here. They say that they're making $12,476 per month from this. I highly doubt that they're making that much money from it. No, most people don't make that kind of money with this. Here's not like the income screenshots here, like $14,000. I don't even know what this platform is here that they're showing. It doesn't, I don't believe that. They say access it, download it, and then start making $35 payments over and over again. These beta tester screenshots, I don't believe these are like real people. These look like stock image people, so I don't believe that. This right here, someone was able to make $1,000 in a few days. This invoice here, I don't believe that. So, and all these people, like, look at these ones, getting different PayPal balances coming in, transaction details. I don't believe these are real people and that they've actually made, like, it says download dollars, verified users. I don't believe that either. So if you're going to purchase this, do not purchase it based upon these screenshots here. And then they show these ones. These look like these Warrior Plus payments here. This has nothing to do with Warrior Plus. And they also have more screenshots on the sales page. If we go down here, again, these are all Warrior Plus screenshots. This has nothing to do with Warrior Plus. I don't know where these screenshots come from and how this works. I'm just lost for words sometimes when it comes to these sales pages. But anyways, we've got these people again, blah, 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 blah. If you purchase, you're going to get access to the system, the app, the training, the world-class support. It's very cheap. You can also add on for $10, you can add on this extra add-on here. Well, I'm going to show you this too. If you move your mouse away, you can get even more of a discounted price on this. I make less as an affiliate by showing these to you, but I always want to show that to you. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play a video from them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back after it. I'm going to show you the members area. I'm going to show you what this is actually really about. I'm going to show you all the different OTOs, and I'm going to show you the discounts. So I'll see you in a minute.
Hello everyone, I'll be showing you a demo of how download dollars work. So first of all we need to do is to register to any of these platforms. And if you're from the UK, Inbox Pounds will do. And if you're from the US, Inbox Dollars is for you. And so just to show you, click apply here and you will be redirected to the site itself. It's easy to log in here. And registering will take up only a minute, so it's very easy. Just type in your email address, your preferred password, and click sign me up. Now you just have to confirm your email and you get $5 for free. Okay, so once you have that set up, you can go back to download dollars, and that is where the best available offers from different platforms are compiled. We find the best paid apps out there, and all you have to do is click download, install, and earn. Besides this main feature, we also have a site creator wherein members can create their own sites in one click. Just type in whatever site name you want and the site title and click create website. And they can edit their website here. They can add referral links from these platforms or insert affiliate links from other products and earn more money through commissions. Insert your affiliate link here and then click or choose where you want your ad to be placed and then click create advertisement. So again, users can create or insert their referral links or affiliate links from other products and earn more money through commissions.
Okay, so we are in the members area right now, and this is my affiliate JV access to this, where what it does, and I'm almost guessing here because I went to the video tutorials. This is a day before the launch, so there's no tutorials in here. So I'm, I'm doing my best here to try to explain this to you. From what I see, they've got multiple different platforms here: inbox pounds, inbox dollars, swag bucks, zoom bucks, and crypto rewards. These are all different platforms. Like if you check this out here, you go to this, you get paid for doing things like watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping. And these are all things like people really do make money from doing these things. I know it looks kind of crazy, but people do actually make money. Not life-changing income, but they make money. They also make money from referring people to these different places. Swag Bucks is one that I've heard a lot about as well, where people can get free gift cards and cash for things that you do every day. They say that they paid members over $677 million from this. And I've seen this Swag Bucks things on like Reddit and stuff before. So I know that people actually get paid. So essentially what this does, you sign up for all these here and and you can click the little activated button to have the different offers show up in this platform. So what this does, instead of having to sign into each one individually, you can see which offers are coming out. So this one says the offers are coming soon for inbox pounds, check back daily. This one's coming out 12 hours from now. This one's coming out 12 hours now. And they're saying you get paid 20 bucks for this one, $70 for this one. I can't see this one on my screen. You can get paid 200 SB. I don't know what SB is. So, swag bucks probably. Is that? No, this is inbox pounds. I don't know. It says 200. 25 cents for this one. Inbox dollars paying 20. It says it's paid $25, $15, $40, $1.50, $60. Now I don't know if you have to like sign up for a free trial or how that works with these things. Yeah, like here's an Uber Eats delivery person. I don't know, but these it's not like there are tons of them every day. Like this one comes out 12 hours from now, but then this one comes out a month from now. No, you can go down here. It will show a different one for like let's see if we go down here. Like this one's 4 months from now. We go down. Zoom Bucks has ones. And this is $864. I mean, that looks like a lot of money. I don't know if they actually pay that much. That might not be true. That's a lot of money. Here's $24 for this one. Scroll down more. Here's a crypto one. You get 318 points for these ones, but they're coming out in like months time. And this one's coming out in 12 hours, so that's interesting. Here's another one here. Swag Bucks. You can get 1,000. This is $1,000. I don't think you're going to get paid $1,000 for starting your own farm with Farmville. That doesn't make sense. That sounds like it's too much. Oh, here's one that's actually open. Oh, good. I didn't. Yeah. So let's see what this does. Let's click on that. Offer unavailable. Probably maybe because where I am in the world. But look, here's some other ones. Other offers you might like. So here's one you can click and earn for 10. You can earn 10 cents, earn 65 cents, earn $12.50, earn $3. Okay, so I signed up for a 30-day trial for Prime Video, and I can make $3 with this one. Let's see what this one is. uh, something where you can earn 120. I don't know what this was. Earn $20 by reaching level 25 in this game. So I guess I have to play this game and reach level 25. Rise of Kingdoms, earn $65. That's pretty cool. Um, so yeah, all kinds of different things here. Kind of cool. Like these kind of things. I know that people, like I said before, I know people make money from them. So this software apparently aggregates them all into one place. So if you're a person that likes to have everything in one place, then this could be something that could be good for you. But like I said before, you're not going to be making like millions of dollars by doing this. But yeah, that's what it's going to do for you from what I see here. So that's the offer. There are OTOs. The first one here, it says it's gonna unlock more powerful features. I think it's gonna maybe unlock some more sites that you can earn from. If you move your mouse away, you can bring the price down from 47 to 37. Again, hit that like button if you like these discounts. Next one here, it's going to be a done for you. So I'm not sure how that works, but it's a done for you version. You can bring the price down from 297 to 97 for this one. If you move your mouse away, this is get paid $300 a day. It says I don't know how that works, but again, it's an optional upgrade. You can bring the price down to 67. Next one here is I think this is being able to promote like high ticket offers or something. If you move your mouse away, you can probably get a discount on that one too. This one right here, it's not loading for me. I don't know why, but it's another upgrade. There's some more upgrades here. You know the deal. It's a bunch of upgrades. There's probably a reseller license and everything in there as well. All these upgrades are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Here we go. It came up. Okay, so what do I like about download dollars and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about it, I think the expectations that are shown on the sales page of making like $13,000, $14,000, $12,000 a month are unreasonable. If you're someone that expects to make that kind of money from this, it's not going to happen. This is for people that want to make a little bit of extra money in their spare time and you want to have everything aggregated for you. What do I like about this? The aggregation part of this is convenient. You can go and you can open up all these sites on your computer and go through all of them individually, or you can have them all open up in one place using the software. If that's something that's going to make your life easier, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at download dollars, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.